This video is an animated reconstruction of the murder of Brigadier Nofriansah Yosua Huta Barat or Brigadier J at the official residence of former high-ranking police officer Ferdy Sambo. Released by the Indonesian National Police or Polri TV, the animation visually depicts the sequence of events leading up to the killing. The reconstruction shows the moment of arrival at Duren 3 house, the confrontation, and the crucial sequence where Ferdy Sambo allegedly ordered his aide, Richard Eliezer or Barada T, to shoot Yosua, followed by Sambo firing additional shots at the victim. The video was released as part of the legal proceedings to detail the alleged criminal act.
In this video, we will discuss one of the most significant legal and political controversies in Indonesia's contemporary history, the Ferdy Sambo case. This case involves the premeditated murder of Brigadier Nofriansah Yosua Huta Barat, also known as Brigadier J. It also includes a systematic obstruction of justice carried out by police officials themselves. We will examine this case using legal theories and political system theories, as well as statutory provisions. Additionally, we will analyze its impact on Indonesia's democracy and rule of law.
The Ferdy Sambo case centers on the premeditated murder of Brigadier J. This case involves a deliberate obstruction of justice. The relevant legal provisions include Article 340, 338, 221, and 233 of the Criminal Code. Additionally, ethical violations under Law No. 2 of 2002 and Police Regulation No. 7 of 2022 are relevant. In legal theory, this case showcases how law can be manipulated under concentrated authority. Retributive justice and law as social control are significant themes in this case. This case reflects failures in institutional checks and oversight mechanisms. The case began on July 8, 2022, with Brigadier J's death in Inspector Sambo's residence. Initially, police stated a shootout occurred, but this narrative was later proven false. Major findings revealed it was an execution, not a shootout. Barada E admitted to shooting Brigadier J under Sambo's orders. CCTV cameras were destroyed and evidence was wiped clean. 5 suspects were named, including Ferdy Sambo and Putri Candrawati. Final sentences included life imprisonment for Sambo and varied sentences for others.
This case raises 2 key legal issues. First, the abuse of authority by Kadif Propam, Sambo. Sambo used power to manipulate crime scenes. This is a clear case of abuse of power. Second, we have obstruction of justice. Obstruction includes destroying evidence and intimidating witnesses. In Indonesia, these acts are governed by Article 221 and Article 233 KUHP. The Sambo case shows systematic obstruction by police. This poses a threat to the principle of equality before the law.
This case highlights how state power can distort legal institutions. The political dimension was evident with demands for transparency. Key players included President Joko Widodo and various checks. Social media emerged as a force demanding accountability. Public pressure functioned as a strong political input. This interaction compels the state towards transparency in investigations. Maintaining the rule of law relies on public oversight.
According to the theory of rule of law, 3 fundamental principles must be upheld. 1. Supremacy of law. 2. Equality before the law. 3. Due process of law. However, in the Sambo case, the real situation deviated from these principles. The hierarchical policing culture makes it difficult for subordinates to refuse unlawful orders. Weak internal oversight allowed manipulation of evidence and cover-ups. Only widespread public pressure compelled the state to return to legal procedures. The cause and effect relationship shows that legal violations emerge when power is concentrated.
The Sambo case generated significant effects on Indonesia's legal and political environment. First, it strengthened public demand for police reform, transparency, and accountability. Second, it reinforced the role of civil society, media, and public participation as vital checks and balances. Third, the court's decision set a crucial precedent. High-ranking officials can face serious punishment. Fourth, although the case damaged public trust, the legal process showed resilience. This case teaches us that the survival of a democratic legal order depends on an impartial justice system.
Thank you for watching this educational video from our group. We hope this presentation provides a deeper understanding of the connection between legal theory, political systems, and the